We'll guide you through how to understand what ClaudeBot is all about. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClaudeBot website. ClaudeBot is a conversational AI model developed by Anthropic, designed to assist with a variety of tasks like answering questions, providing explanations, and even engaging in casual conversation. When you arrive at the website, you'll notice a clean interface that's easy to navigate. You can start by signing up for an account if you don't already have one. This will give you access to all of ClaudeBot's features. Once you're logged in, you'll find that ClaudeBot is accessible via a chat interface. You can type in your questions or requests in the chat box, and ClaudeBot will respond with relevant information or guidance. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can ask questions in natural language without needing to use specific commands. ClaudeBot uses advanced AI algorithms to understand context and provide accurate responses. If you're interested in exploring more, you can dive into the settings to customize how ClaudeBot interacts with you. There are options to adjust language preferences, notification settings, and more, allowing you to tailor the experience to your liking. Remember that ClaudeBot is constantly learning and improving, so the more you interact with it, the better it gets at understanding and assisting you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.